Don't be alarmed. It's okay. Everything is fine. So we're up on the Carnival cruise, and we're still boarding. So I say, you know what? Let me just give you a quick tour of what is happening on this side. So over here, them have juice. You know, so I'm thirsty too. I need to get some lemonade. So let me do that. Them have them coffee. All of this is included. So I love that. I don't really want much cause some ice cream I want really afterwards. Oh, over here, join the line. But overall, everything good. The first spot, let me give another run through of the process. So on the way, I'm never sure like which turn me now figure, and I kind of Google and see. I don't know if a terminal 1, 3, or get some lemonade. Till this a push. Lemonade. Yeah, I never know if a terminal 1, 3, or 6. But upon arriving, there's a sign at the exit where it show you the name of the ship and fruits. And you just follow a sign and go around. Now after you reach, when it's time for your park, thank you. After you reach, when it's time for your park, them ask you if you want to, if you want them to take your luggage. So you say yes. But one of the good things what we did do first is before we arrive, we stop. I think it's the what do you call the place again? Like FedEx. One of them places they print off the documents, the boarding pass, and also the bag tags. Yeah, so that was good. So once you do that, and then you reach in the parking area, the valet for the bags, take your bags and bring them to the ship. Then after them, directly which part you need to go park. Once you pay, then you park. Thank you. Okay, then you park. And the process was very easy if you come on. You know, me just giving an overview. Then food I look good though. Cheese. I did watch pasta. There's a pasta then call me name in a man. Food I look good. I love this. Yeah, the process was very easy. And another thing though, you know, say you have to put on your wall of your bag, then one dog walk past and sniff the wall of your bag. I say, mighty God. I say, me never afraid to eat when that did I go on car. Even though you know, say, alright, it's just watch too much show, yeah, man, you understand? But this is what is going on in the dining area. Oh, them have a sushi part as well. Oh, what's up, Corey?
Where y'all at?
They're on the deck where the band is playing.
Okay.
Yeah, I think the other one is babysitting.
Okay.
Like okay. Yeah. So yeah, guys, welcome in. If you don't have any question, feel free to ask. Me just giving a look quick tour since me there right now, so you can see what Gwaan. Okay, so lemonade sour lakawa. Jesus. Sour, yeah? It's okay. But are you okay? Missy said them did have some ice cream. I want some ice cream. Ice cream stand me I look for. Ooh, jambalaya. Old fashioned chicken pot pie I'm on Carnival. Sliced steak with onion, meatball lasagna. That don't look bad. Buttered broccoli, mashed potatoes, candied yams. Ooh, roast beef. That don't look bad. Carnival Glory. Cello. And they have the fruits and stuff, which is good. Apple, pear, papaya, pineapple, cantaloupe, melon, and mango. Me I look fine now. The mango. Me not see the unknown. When they kind of see the ice cream, I see people are walking around the ice cream, guys. So I really eat my one. Thank you for the thumbs up. I eat me I look for right now. Let's see. Let's go. Find an ice cream. Drinks. Oh, sorry. No, so, you don't want to go too far because I will last over your son. You see, because I don't really have no sense of direction sometimes. But yeah. On the deck right now, them have a band, a player. Be a Bob Marley. People in the pool, people a drink, a dance, and have some fun and thing. But you know, say because over here side YouTube, I have to make sure say certain things when I put out there, all of my content, including visual, audio, and all of that. So, I go get other. I go do other vlogs. When I go out there, I go do some more recording and kind of edit out certain stuff. But in here, so we're good right now. So that's why I kind of just I give another tour at this part. And then I go out there, so I go show another other part afterwards. But yeah, guys, if you don't have any questions in the comments, feel free to ask. We got out here so for a few days and think, Gwaan yard vibes, big up yourself. Appreciate the love, appreciate the love. Thank you so much for your support always. It doesn't go unnoticed. So yeah, this is what it's looking like out here. The song stop right now, so I can give them a look out like preview of what this I look like right now. Not bad at all. Them have a hot tub up there. People are sit down and I eat a beer food, guys. I tell you, food for days. Like, me should I take a wash out before I come over here, so. And that's the pool. People in the pool chilling right now. The pool not that big, but you know, pool a pool. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to the other side and see what can go on. Me say, no, a real thing you advise, we never prepare for this. Like, the only thing me eat, I ate a burger. And so, me tell you, say, me already full. Me full up already. Can't believe. But me really did a walk and look for some ice cream though. Because I eat me say that I have some soft serve ice cream and thing. And I eat me did really want. Me taste the lemonade. Me rotted. Me don't know if I nature I want cut sour, yeah. Sour? Me say no, sir. All when Pitney I learned to make lemonade for the first time, you know bad. So like them put the rind and the skin and everything in it. I fi go down, man. Whole of nature cut off. I think I up here, so I have to go upstairs. So I have to, yeah, I'm gonna go upstairs. Cause I look like I'm last rotted. Sorry. Go upstairs and see what's going on. So what they have about that, so you know, I get the grand tour, you know, guys, you know. That's why it come like a breakfast area. Them have cornflakes and them thing there. Not no bad. Okay, now. Cornflakes to hold the place big by the time you find the ice cream. A real talk. Them have cereal. It's cool. Nice little area. Over here, so it shows that they have barbecue. Ooh. And they have baked beans, mac and cheese. What else they got here? Potato salad. Scratch made slaw. That not bad. Okay. So if last was a person, it would have been me. Mighty God of Daniel. Guys, I don't know, say me last. If you come off of this. If you go back downstairs, I already watch a video and see which family I come from. Eh? Yo, just because I want to find a little ice cream. That's crazy. If I find them, I take you and post a picture. So it was worth it. Excuse me. Go down. Then I just want to see one sign. You want to turn on my GPS? Yo! Oh, that look good though. Jambalaya and pepper steak. I feel like I come from around the corner here though. I feel like at the corner here I come around. Yeah. And then I go through. Thank you.
I thought I recognized you. How you doing?
I'm good. I'm vlogging.
Well, I'm sorry.
Look, you guys eating good already?
Trying, you know, I can't put a whole lot of stomach.
Hi, good to see you. Hi, good to see you too. How are you? Well. Nice. Oh, you guys look good. Like the blue and blue twins.
We just trying. Where's everybody?
Somewhere on the top, and I passed Corey, who was walking around looking for food. Yeah, but I'm also trying to find everybody else right now too.
We got that meet time at 4 p.m.
Yeah.
So, we'll hook up with everybody.
Okay. All right. I see you guys.
Keep walking.
All righty. Hey guys, I'm here with my family. So everybody just all over the place right now. Every minute I run up in a one of them, another somebody, and there's Corey again. You found her?
No.
Oh.
They back there, right?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know. Yeah. I saw Jesus Christ. Guys, I know me alone last, so me not feel too bad. I want to know how to get upstairs. I thank God. Come on, I come run us already. The cruise really big. No, and this up on the outside, you know. One thing asking people they wouldn't get the ice cream. See two people and them ice cream. Excuse me, where did you get the ice cream?
You gotta go through there.
On that side. It's on that side?
Yeah, and it's like on the side of the thing. It's like a
Self-serve. Got it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, guys, we find the ice cream. You see why I always ask question? Me no mind last on my belly full, but me can't last on hungry. We have to get the ice cream today, alright? She said we go through, yeah, so. And then what? Me never confused so yet. We go downstairs. Well, yeah. What she say? She said we go through, yeah, so go through that door, yeah. Excuse me. She said go through that door and I dip on the side. The advice. Yo, me they are struggle. Me I tell you the truth. She said dip on the side. Which side? That side there? The left side or the right side? Sliding door. Okay, appreciate that. The lady peeled me out. You know, it come like when you ask a Jamaican to give a direction. At that one. Oh, never mind. Me find it. Wow, that's crazy. After me nearly threw the girl under the bus. Me find it. She could have just point and say over there, so you know. Cause look here, she sent me all the way around the world. Look here, over there, so me I come from, and I right there, so there. Can you imagine? No, sir. Bad to bad. All right. After this, me need to go up at deck 12, cause at deck 9 we're there. All right, guys. So Gwaan, right? I'll be confused. Look, me say me never confused so yet. Gwaan, me rascal. Guys, me not Gwaan done. So I really have to go do this? Ah, boy. Alright, so make sure they have them have vanilla, them have chocolate and chocolate vanilla. Get chocolate vanilla. Ooh. Yeah, that's not bad. A spoon, that me really need it. But this look good, not true? Yeah. How with that? Boy, this come like when you know when you have milk powder you just freeze it. Alright, you know I messed up. Let me find my family guys. Can't complain nice enough. Alright, me need to go up. Up. Whoa, bam 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 bam. Alright, me feel like we need to go take the stairs. We're there 9, so we need to go at 12. What are we, you know? One thing that's missing is just the cherry on top, right? Guys, don't like it tour so far. Alright, deck 10. We need to go at 12. 10. Where are the stairs there? That's it. Or a 10 me figure. I don't know, you know. 10. Let's see. Space kind of Gwaan. Whoa, okay, thank you. Alright guys, we outside, literally. Oh my God, we must can't find them, I know. Back let me there back I ship. That's crazy. Me rotted, you know, say wrong side me depend. Alright. You see thumbnail when me take? Me can see red, the red there in front. So I need to walk yes and walk all the way around. And I really have to come out to get the full view, you understand? We are going to find a way. Yo, me have to go retitle the title here. Yeah man, me have to go edit it. I say, last on the ship on land. I was still there, I would have gone nowhere yet. That's crazy. I'm good. Just walking around with my peeps. You know me, I give another grand tour. Let's go, peeps. Thank you, Yard Vibes. I appreciate it. All right, see, so then, yeah, man, I will this. All right, that's something did there. All right, me find them, me find everybody. And guys, me I figure around, you understand? Big up on yourself. Thank you for keeping my company and giving me the direction. Yard vibes. Big up, big up. I appreciate you all so, so much. Love and love alone. Bye.